This is an old Craftsman Eager 1 lawnmower with a 5 horsepower Tecumseh engine on it. It is front wheel drive, self-propelled. It's basically got this lever that you push when you got the handle down, and it's supposed to stay forward the entire time the thing is running. But unfortunately, the little plastic piece that does that is broken, so you have to use this little shock cord to keep it down when it's running. But the self-propel does still work. Get you close up on the model number. And as you can see, the paint is pretty much gone on this thing. It's very rusty. It's actually rusted through right there, but it still works. And I ordered a rebuild kit for this thing's carburetor last year, and a new air filter and a spark plug, and it runs absolutely perfectly. As you can see right now, the mulch plug is sort of just sitting there, but it's got mulch plug in. All of the height adjusters work. They're not seized, which is amazing considering how this thing looks. It needs to be cleaned big time, and it needs to have just a repaint, which I may do. I have not really, sorry about that, I haven't really used this lawnmower that much. As you can see, new air filter. Carburetor is original, but it has been rebuilt pretty much. And then there's the muffler. Little belt box, 22-inch blade. I just took the blade off and sharpened it, as you can see. Got a big Craftsman logo on the front there. 2-in-1 mulch and bag. I don't have the correct bag for this lawnmower, and before I sharpened the blade, it was leaving a bunch of clumps of grass behind it, so it was not mulching properly. I don't know if it's because it's missing something underneath or it was just a dull blade, but I'm going to pause the video here and show you the underside and see if any of you know anything about it. Okay, here it is, laying on its side. Blade, well, I can't see it from this angle, but the blade is nice and sharp now. But basically, when I first got this thing and, noticed that it was losing or leaving clumps of grass behind, I figured there was something right here that was missing that was supposed to help it mulch, but it doesn't look like there was anything that went there. There's a plate right there, which is pretty rusty, but it's, where it's supposed to be. It doesn't look like there was anything connected. And of course, we got this mulch plug in here. So I don't know if anything is missing here or not. I don't think it is. And I'm hoping that the grass clumping issue was just being caused by the fact that this thing had a dull blade on it. Or if that's just how these mowers cut. You just have to keep your grass cut really short if you don't want to deal with that. There's the transmission gearbox for the front wheel drive. Still works, aside from the lever being broken, sort of. But yeah, don't do that unless you unplug the spark plug, by the way. But yeah, this thing has good compression. Still a decent running lawnmower, and I'm going to try using it again the next time the lawn needs cutting here, just to test it out with that sharper blade. Here's the bag that came with this mower when I picked it up. I don't think it's the right bag at all. I have no idea if this is for this mower or not. It doesn't look like it at all because it's got this big opening on top, and I tried putting this on and it didn't fit. So yeah, no bag for this thing, unfortunately. It needs an oil change, which it'll get soon. Made in USA. And if you're wondering what that is, that's just the deck off of my John Deere E140. I just took all the blades off and sharpened them. So now they're nice and sharp. I have to put a new belt on this thing, so I figured I'd leave it off the tractor until I put the new belt on. But I guess that's just about it for this video. It's an old Craftsman Eager 1 lawnmower. Please let me know if all the parts are there, because I don't think it's supposed to be acting like that, leaving clumps of grass behind.